These days are feeling cold, but my heart is feeling colder. Seems like everybody grows apart when they get older. If I started drinking, I think I'd be hardly sober. Chips on my shoulders are turning out to be boulders. I'm trying to keep my composure, and they're like, why are you changing? This ain't how you started. Don't tell me you're broke, I wanna hear you broken hearted. Talk about the stars, man, don't tell me you're starving. I wanna hear about a girl who broke you down and departed. Man, I've been done with it. What I feel, I run with it. Always real, I come with it. Know that you in love with it, so listen up. Heartbreaks give you breaks for the heart, cause it's hard to be together when it's falling apart. And I ain't trying to write it down when I don't know where to start. They want me to pick at these scars to give them light in the dark, and it's killing me, reliving all these moments aside. And I've been building up aggression on the mic, and she's like,
baby, leave your struggles in the streets. Take your aggression out on me. You know I'm always down to pay. Discretion, baby, leave your struggles in the streets. Take your aggression out on me. You know I'm always down to pay. Discretion.
the things I used to love, I would feel many things. You ask me nowadays, I don't feel anything. Giving up on love or whatever it means to keep somebody around who just eventually leaves. Like, is this gonna last? Back in the feelings I've trashed. I'm tired of opinions, tell me when did I ask? I hit up an ex like I've been wanting us back. How am I thinking of the future when I'm stuck in the past? Okay, back in the feelings I go. Listen, I'm letting you know, I don't need a phone for me to tell you I'm letting you go. Everybody's like, what's with the heartbreak songs, man? Honestly, I've been staying up way too long, and nobody gets it, no matter what I'm confessing. If I told you I'm